camera is I'm still in the editing process, so I need the SD card. So here's the other camera here. Why do I have a suspicious feeling this is going to become ice pellets? Freezes a bit. That's actually been going on for a while. The heavy bit is this. It's not this part here that's sticking out, basically. It's this bit right here, this straight edge right here. Straight apart right there, that's actually a greater intensity. I would head to my lookout spot or something, but you know what? I'm at a perfect position right now. I don't want to screw it up. I'm in a decent enough position right now, so I don't want to screw it up. Here it is. First burst, this is just the start. I'll be back with you guys in a bit. Well, I end the clip here for the minute, for the bit. There's our rainbow. I think it's the first time I've ever seen a November rainbow. Genuinely. Look at that. Look at my camera. This is the first time I've actually seen a November rainbow. Man. My first ever November rainbow. I was expecting to see it over there, but I forgot it's not fucking spring or summer. It's fucking November. It's late fall. Mid-late fall. Mid-fall. Yeah, I'll take it. Wow. Look at this. It's still technically raining. It's just the tiniest drops in human history. I'm just joking, but I mean, it feels like it. Man, the scenes right now. I'm heading in now, though. That's nice. A little November rainbow. Oh, there it is. That's 90% disappeared in the last 60 seconds. Alright, here's a forecast plus radar update for the morning here. Still got a 30% chance of wet flurries and rain showers today, then change it to a 6% chance of rain showers this morning. Snow level rising to 900 meters this afternoon when, well, it's no longer gusty winds. Tonight, 6% chance of rain showers early this evening, then a 6% chance of wet flurries or rain showers late this evening, then partly cloudy, snow level 900 meters, lowering to valley bottom this evening. Sunday night, a 30% chance of showers. I don't know how that works, but okay. And then Monday, low break. Well, Sunday, low break. Monday, low break. Monday night, periods of rain. That's going to be interesting there with a low +3. And then Tuesday, showers. Tuesday night, clears up. And then it clears up from there, but then there's a couple days of precip. Couple periods of precip near the at the end of the forecast period. A couple. And then we got the radar, so there is shit moving in. I've not actually seen outside. It is obviously going to be snowing. It is below freezing right now. Unless it's like sleet or something again, which is all around possible, but I doubt it. I didn't properly check the thermals yesterday, so we'll see about that. Otherwise, got that. And then the weather network. Please tell me the ads so show. It does, you assholes. And yeah, both bits here. So this to start off here. So this is where it's like I doubt this, honestly. This is where it's like I believe this, but at the same time I think it's like, why I don't like this doesn't even have to be there. This doesn't really have to be this doesn't really have to be there. It's like ugh. Their forecast is all over the place. It's been all over the place. That's the great thing about 14-day forecasts. They go all over the place and it's kind of just shooting blinded, hoping for the best. And then this is what it looks down further. Colder, a little bit snowier. Might get some, see if that turns out. But yeah, I'll leave you guys on that note, and I'll see you guys a little bit later on. Yeah, just a little bit later on. Might be snowing right now. I haven't looked outside since 5:15, so we'll see. Holy. Holy shit. This is fucking icy. Holy shit. Of course my dad didn't. Fuck, I could have done it myself, but shit. My god, it's frosty just when it's only -3. Forecast update for today. So, we got a 30% chance of showers late this afternoon. Snow levels at 800 meters. And then tonight, 6% chance of showers this evening with snow levels at 800 meters. Tomorrow, clears up a bit. Well, dries up a bit. And then Monday night, 40% chance of showers. Tuesday, a 40% chance of showers. And then we dry up from Tuesday night onward. Whole day we dry up. Ooh. And then, yeah. Continue to stay dry for Thursday, but then Thursday night we get a 6% chance of rain showers or flurries. Friday, a 6% chance of showers or 6% chance of flurries, sorry. And then Friday night, 30% chance of rain showers and flurries. And then Saturday, a 30% chance of showers overall. Ignore that. And then we got weather network. This is the first bit. Some mixing maybe for the 11th, otherwise it's mainly just rain for this part. For the next week here. Not much rainfall. In saying that as well. But after this, following week, it's literally just snow. We got straight snow potential, 1 to 3 for the 16th, close to 1 for the 7th, 1 to 3 for the 18th, and then it's just some traces, 20th, 21st there. We even have a light snow forecast, I believe that's what it is. Or no, just snow, sorry. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys likely later on today. But if not, tomorrow. Here is the forecast update for today. So, it's pretty lackluster for the next few days, but then Thursday we get going. Starts off 4 degrees, only a high of 4 degrees, and then Thursday night, periods of snow. Friday, periods of snow or rain, and then a 6% chance of showers Friday night through till Saturday night, and then Sunday a 30% chance of showers there. Now we know how that's changed compared to our last snowfall potential. That changed from periods of snow or rain, to absolutely fuck all. So we're gonna be fairly light on this. We're not gonna hype it up too much, but it's there. And then we got the weather network here with also just one bit needing to be shown, which is this bit here. Fair bit of days with mixing possible, as seen here. As you can see, interesting. Whatever. Anyways, yeah. Fair bit of rainfall in the forecast with some traces of snow. Other than that, pretty straightforward. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys potentially later on today, if not tomorrow. Yeah. whirlwind in the fucking garage here. In the fucking driveway here. Holy shit. Fucking time it is. You can only assume based off of lighting, it's about 7:30. Along the lines of such. Think if the trees had leaves. That's what I'm imagining. Didn't get to bring my cash flow. I was too much in a rush, and to be honest with you, more important I get out here than anything. Oh my word. When I thought today was going to verify, I didn't think it was going to verify this early. Holy shit, I'm lucky I didn't miss this. My mom's a godsend. My mother is a godsend. We'll attempt to going to check the damage later on today. It's way too early to give a crap about going down there. Crap, it's cold though. It feels cold. Although realistically speaking, it's about 5-6 degrees right now. That must have been a leaf hitting the pole. Well, this is clearing out the leaves for me. Very nice one. All the ones I missed on the grass and all that are blown away now. Holy shit. There's like a random pile down the street there. Holy shit. Well, good thing to know our car tent is of very good standard. Makes me think how today's gonna go overall. Eh. Alrighty, here's the forecast plus fire update. I'm so used to that, just forecast update anyways. For today, a few showers beginning this morning and ending this afternoon. Snow levels are 1,000 meters. Winds south 20 gusting to 40, increasing to 40 gusting to 60, as we saw early this morning. Yeah. Becoming southwest 20 gusting to 50 near noon. And then tonight, 30% chance of showers early this evening, with snow levels down to 700 meters, and then wind southwest 20 gusting to 50, becoming light this evening. Yes. And then Wednesday night, 6% chance of flurries after a little breakdown Wednesday. And Thursday, 6% chance of flurries as well. Thursday night, rain. We'll see how that one goes. And then Friday, all day, 70% chance of showers there. Hold it for a bit. And then Saturday all day we got a 6% chance of showers, and then Sunday all day we got a 6% chance of showers, and then Monday a 30% chance of showers there. Yeah. And then winds were a respectable up to around 60k at the airport. There weren't anything too significant, but they were there. Definitely as forecasting. They forecasted at 5 a.m. So be it. And then the white arc, straightforward. This is how it looks. Close to centimeter tomorrow, and then from Thursday straight through until Tuesday there. 1 to 3 millimeters of rain, with the exception of the 12th, was just close to 1. Yeah. On that note, I will see you guys later on today. Hopefully we can get something more than just that. We are going up to my lookout spot. Look at this beautiful line. And you can see a shelf cloud on the webcam facing that way. Holy shit. There we go. And it's perfect too. I was actually initially going to look up to go up north, but look at that. That's what I get for waiting just a couple updates. I gotta get going. Oh, I can't do that again. Holy crap. That first minute or two after, holy crap. Felt like dying. That was the radar. It's not as nice, but I gotta take into account it's going northeast, so we'll drag into that stronger part, which is that bit there. Oh my god. Not as amazing as I initially looked coming off the mountains, but it's got its look, that's for sure. It's got a look, I should say, that's for sure. I gotta stay up here for at least 5 more minutes before shit overtakes me or whenever. I'm just so tired, I can't think right now. I'm so out of shape, fuck. In terms of stamina. But yeah. It's gotta look, that's for sure. Shit, got some chance. Getting photos with my phone to post later on. Right now I'm focused on this. Oh my god, my chest is. Excuse that. Choking on some fucking saliva or phlegm or something. Choking on something. Holy shit. I mean, looking at that southern bit though, it's like, that's what's coming for us, is this corner bit here. Look how white it is. Mind around you, it's only 6 degrees right now. And this front that's pushing through, this is associated with the front, is solely this is solely going to bring cold air in the upper level. Surface probably won't tell much of a difference, but it's going to significantly dry out and at the surface, and then higher up there'll be some significant cooling. Well, not significant, but there'll be cooling. You can see this, the leading edge of it, really. But look how low these cloud levels are too. The tops of those mountains are removed, and that means it's probably about, I don't even know how high those mountains are. Well, I'm going to say it's definitely below 1,500 meters. So, well, no, definitely around 1,250 or so. Breeze is starting. I'm going to start heading down here soon, in a little bit here. It doesn't need to be very strong to produce some decent rates of precip. Although, obviously, any higher the better. It always comes off those mountains and kind of just either maintains strength or weakens a bit. And then kind of from there, it's kind of just a steady trek here. Chased all the crows away. There was like hundreds of them here, now they're gone as soon as I got here. Yeah, felt like a drop. So it's probably going to be rain, maybe mixed with some hail. Moving fast. Alright, I think it's time. You can see it's getting there. I don't want to stay up here. Oh shit, my phone. Almost forgot that. That would be hell on earth. But yeah, breeze is kicking up. So I think heading down to back home would be priority. It's starting to peek over those mountains, you can see. I am right on time. Ooh, big drop. it's starting to rain. We'll hold out until this wind pushes through. Well, I'm gonna go put my bike away real quick. I think this is a lot more lackluster than I think. I'm really making it to be. Uh, nah, something ain't right. I saw. Look. Come on. There we go. Holy. Holy crapola. Oh, jeez. Coming down in. Whoa. Oh. There we go. It's coming out in bursts here. Ooh. Oh, my battery, come on. Oh, look at that. My phone. Ooh. They're getting bigger. Ho ho ho. Oh. Ooh. Look at the size of them now. Look at the size of them now. Woohoo! Look at them. Wow. Some chunky pieces of, I think, Graupel? I think that's what it is. Soft hail for sure. Oh, here we go. Ooh. Man, oh man. The worst is gone over, I think. Yeah, see, this is why I just stayed here. It'll do the trick. Probably if I just went higher up, it would just be heavy snow compared to this. Well, probably the same thing, just purely Graupel though. The worst is past. Yeah, it's like a Graupel Sleet mixture. It's purely winter precip though, with a bit, maybe a bit of rain mixed in. No, not maybe. Probably with some rain mixed in. Thick rain at that though. No, not too shabby. Could have been shittier. Oh yeah. But in the end of the day, I don't think going higher in the mountains would change anything, nor I think their choice of leaving or staying here was a pointless thought. Another round. What? She's trying to hold on here. Although it's turned to mostly rain now. I think I should just be grateful for one thing and one thing only. I'm not working. Man, I thought work would be screwing me, but honestly, I don't think it's really changed much of anything. Either way, though, but as soon as this gets removed, we'll probably be seeing a snow level right down to maybe even as low as 500 meters. Oh. Does Graupel count realistically? It's a type of snow. It falls under the snow category, so eh. But yeah. Oh. You don't know how sick I feel right now. Oh my god. I'm not gonna say anything more than that. Oh, that was a bad idea. I think I should have stayed down here. I think it's just raining now. Yeah, alright guys. I'll see you guys later on. It's mostly done now. Just it's a bit of rain with some wintry precip, Graupel / sleet mixed in. Yeah. Holy shit. The sleet has decided to pick back up again. Nah. Oof. Look at that. Very steady sleet. Doesn't want to stop. Like it's practically like fucking snow at this point almost. Like look at that. Look at some of the shapes of them. It's almost snow at this point. Although it's too thick to be snow. Like I guess it could constitute as a really wet snow. Some of those more distinctive looking ones, but look at that. Holy crap. It is fucking almost snowing sideways now. It is practically... We are practically getting fucking snow now. Like, what the shit? Still going. Oh shit. Didn't realize that you're until getting up here. I noticed how low it looked there, but oh man. It got right down to those houses. That's my guess. It got right down to about those houses, the very top of those ones right there. May have started sticking above it, but it was probably snowing just a little bit, even just a tad bit below that. But although I don't think that really constitutes much, doesn't really say much. Well, wait. Might be a dusting above it. It might be on the very... I can't tell. It's very minuscule if it is, but either way, snow levels have definitely dropped into the hundreds range. We got close. Graupel doesn't constitute snow level down the valley bottom. That has to be pure snow, or at least some kind of snow. But it was just sleet and Graupel. But man, did that get close. Thing is, if I drove up to that really nice lookout spot I had, man, I'd probably be seeing snow. Here's the radar. Yep, straightforward. Occluded front move through. Well, highly had to have been the front, because now I'll show you guys quickly right after what the temperature is. Well, actually, you know what? Nah. Yeah, I can definitely tell you it was occluded front because it's only dropped about 2-3 degrees. And then how it just the overall state of it just showed it was an occluded front. But yeah, it's 4 degrees right now. And then how that wind change went, it wasn't really strong, but it was certainly gusty. It was an occluded front moving through. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys definitely later on today at some point. And just like that, that front cleared us out. And there it is. There's the back end of it. You can see even the snow level now is like just fucking tanking back up. Like I said, the upper levels were cool, but the surface, low levels are just going to warm right back up. It's an occluded front, so I'm not surprised. If it was cold front, obviously that'd be a different story. But yeah, that should probably do it for the day. And tomorrow as well, before we get our next round of events starting tomorrow night. Technically Thursday, but tomorrow night, Wednesday night, we'll start back up again. But yeah, now we're just a light southeasterly breeze. Nothing strong. I'll leave you guys with that, and I'll see you guys maybe later on today. If not, though, tomorrow. Wow, what a bipolar day. It got, this morning it got up to about like 6 or so degrees. And then because the front passed through, that dropped down to around the 3-degree range. I would say as low as 3.5 degrees. And then now, that was at around noon. And then now we're right back up to 8 degrees. About 2 hours later. Well, this is probably going to be the last clip of the video here. Yeah. Now this whole entire corner is filled with leaves and I have to clean up later this week. Otherwise, yeah, I was thinking about checking the damage, but nah, it's not worth it, to be fair. But yeah, it's fairly clear. But yeah, I'll see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow. Most likely tomorrow now.
Here's the forecast to end this video off before our next series of events coming through. So we got periods of snow beginning near midnight instead of just 60% chance of flurries. The localized amounts of 2 centimeters. And then tomorrow, periods of snow ending in the morning, then a mix of sun and cloud with a 6% chance of showers late in the afternoon. Snow levels rising to 1,000 meters. And then Thursday night, rain ending before morning, 1,100 meters snow level, 30% chance of showers Friday. And now there's a break. There's actually a fairly decent break in the precip. I'd even include Friday on that one. And then periods of rain Saturday night and rain Sunday. But yeah, on that note, I'll see you guys, well, in the next video, but later on today. Tonight. Peace.